Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a triple stack Sunday. This is pretty amazing. I had a booster on my store card I didn't even know I had, which was $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $30 on Healthy Summer. So that was kind of a healthy deal. We'll talk about that, and then plus just a deal on its own using the 10 back when you spend 25. If you could please do me a giant kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. And a special happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. First couple deals we're going to talk about is if you don't want to do a booster but you just have an itch to do some deals. These are pretty fantastic. The first is to grab this Dollar Shave Club razor for $10.99. We have this digital coupon, which is a $3.50 off, and the promotion with Dollar Shave Club is to spend $10, earn back a $3 register reward. Check this out. On Fetch Rewards, there's a spend $25, get back $5. I was short by 3 cents. So I grabbed one of those for $10.99, digital coupon, $7.49 I paid out of pocket, got back my $3 register reward, and $5 back from the Fetch Rewards app and made this free. If you have been buying these little Dollar Shave Club razors at various stores and accumulating that money, this might be a way to finish it, because I think there's like 3 days left on that rebate, but a really solid deal. And here's my register reward, so I'm very happy with that. Another sensational deal this week is with the Dawn dish soap. These are the smaller bottles, but a little goes a long way, especially with Dawn. Either the apple or the classic blue, they are $1.24 this week. When you buy 2, you get back a $1 register reward. And yes, you can roll cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. So grabbing 2 of those, it's $2.48, guys. I would throw in $2 of Walgreens cash, pay your 48 cents, get back that $1 register reward, and call this a very good deal. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can roll that Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. And just to show you the little cutie, here it is. And if you wanted to do this deal, say, twice, you'd have to do it 2 separate transactions because the register reward will print once per transaction. The next sensational deal is with the Dove body wash, and I believe maybe the bar soap. You'll have to double check the bar soap in store. It's $7, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. The operative word is spend, so that's like a booster. We have this sensational coupon that popped up this morning, which is a 6 off of 2, very generous. So looking at a quick deal for this, grabbing 3 Dove men's body wash for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $15 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Fetch Rewards has a progressive to spend $15, get back 3,000 points. So how this shakes out after everything is said and done is $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per body wash. Do not use any Walgreens cash as the offer is spend 20, earn back 5. So it's very strict. But what a great little Father's Day gift. Who doesn't love this deal when it pops up? 4 for $9 on the various P&G detergent products. Tide Simply is also included, but none left for me to photograph. Somebody must have cleared it out at 7 a.m. But I always love getting those bounce dryer sheets and this fabric softener too. Also quite fantastic. So we're going to grab 4. If you wish to mix and match, go for it. Make sure to scan 2 in the app if any digital coupons are attaching. I didn't have any, guys, but $9, I would grab a $1 filler item and your total would be $10. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, and a great way to stock up your stockpile. And we're doing this without a booster. We're just doing this deal on its own. It's really fantastic, especially if you're a newer couponer. You're getting quality products at a very cheap price. Okay, so this is what I did, guys. I had an 11 back when you spend 50, which is a paper booster, and those were printing this morning for me at the store like crazy. 10 back when you spend 25. I think most of you have that booster. And then this weird summer one of $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30 on Healthy Summer products. Now, for Healthy Summer products, when you scan products in the app, there's a message that appears below. So say, for example, if you're like, did I use it? Yes or no? You know what I would do? Throw a couple Nexuses into your basket, and that can get you to $30 very quickly. And then you can figure out, did I use it? Yes or no? Small but mighty basket. We have 3 of the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos priced at $7 a pop, and 2 expensive Nexuses for $17.99 a pop. Both of these products have promotions, so that's why I grabbed them. And the Nexus is earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend 25. Grabbing 2 of them, that's like $35 plus, so I am like well on my way. I also had this $5 digital coupon. I'm so happy I didn't spend it. That went with the hairspray. And then with the Love Beauty and Planet, $7 a pop, $5 reward when you buy 3 of these shampoos. And we also had a 4 off 2 digital coupon that appeared this morning for this product. So I'm happy about that. Here it is. Yeah, love Beauty and Planet. There's also one for the Tresemme as well, because the Tresemme is a bit cheaper. 2 for $12, but I'd rather have the Love Beauty and Planet. I just made an executive choice. Now, to get my basket a lot less out of pocket, I threw in 4 manufacturer register rewards that I earned last week for the Garnier and some other deal I was doing. I don't even remember off the top of my head. But if you look at the top of the register reward, it says manufacturer. Thus, you can actually use it in a basket like this one with boosters, and it's still going to work because these are coupons, manufacturer coupons. So looking at the overall basket, guys, 3 Love Beauty Planet products for $21, 2 Nexus sprays for $35.98, for a grand total of $56.98. I got the cashier to scan my booster, which was $11 back when you spend $50, plus I had my 2 digitals loaded. $10 back when you spend $30 on healthy, and then the other one of $10 back when you spend $25. I had $9 in digitals that also melted off, and then $13 in manufacturer register rewards that came off. So with my debit card, I paid $34.98, and then I got back $41 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, not factoring in my $13 of manufacturer register rewards. A lot of people get really angry with me whenever I do that. It's basically like $1.98 for the 5 products or 39 cents. And this is some like high-end stuff. So I'm really happy with that. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. You can use manufacturers, but not the store register rewards. I typically don't show this, but it didn't appear at the bottom of my receipt, but in the app it was there. $41 I got back. And then here's my gorgeous $5 register reward for the Love Beauty and Planet. Just a really smart stack and making something out of nothing. I love a triple stack. Okay, guys, the last deal we're going to talk about, and I'm sure a lot of you have this 10 back when you spend 25. If you wanted to grab $21 in men's Dove and then just add an extra $4, that's an avenue. But here's another one. We have 4 of the P&G products at $5.49. They're on a promotion this week for buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. You know, the Downy, the Tide, the usual suspects. Just look for stuff tagged at this. And then we're also going to grab 3 of the Dawn dish soap. So 3 of these guys. I know it's buy 2, get a $1 register reward, but to get us right to that $25 mark, that's why I threw a third one in. So looking at the overall basket, 4 of those laundry products is $21.96. 3 Dawns for $3.72. For a total of $25.68. Have your booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 25. And if you have any digital coupons to go with those laundry products, load them. I think I used every single one on my store card, so I was out of luck. I would have to pay $25.68 with my debit card, get back $10 of Walgreens cash for my booster, and then $6 in register rewards, $5 for the P&G, and then $1 for the Dawn. So it makes it $9.68 for the 7 products or $1.38 per. Now, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance because you're using that spend booster. But a little deal for you guys. Honestly, if you had manufacturer register rewards, you wanted to throw it in, a couple of these products, I mean, that would be a way to get this not so you're not feeling it so much out of pocket. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.